Alright guys, we got the old Atlas out here, and we got her set at 25 25 thousandths feet per, I think that's supposed to say minute. I don't know, it's a glare, but the feed rate is at 3.25, and the RPM's right around 130. We got it on the auto feed here, and what we're doing is, this is our taper attachment for the lathe. Now this is not the right one. This is actually a Craftsman one for a 9-inch, but it will work for the South Bend. All I gotta do is make some attachments for this, for the brackets here, and I cut these pieces out. It's turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna cut this section, not that section, and then we're going to take the bottoms here, which that's why I leveled them out here, and we're going to put these notches here, and they'll fit. It'll fit perfectly right on the lathe. Then, after all that, that's why we're notching them out. That reason right there. And then it'll clamp right down there. Then this right here, which rides along the carriage, which makes the taper whatever angle you want it to be. Let's say, for example, you want a, I don't know, 6 degree, or a taper at 1 degree or half a degree. Well, anywhere you put this, it'll follow that taper all day. In forward or reverse, it'll follow that taper. But what we're going to do now is fire up the old Atlas here and see what happens. So I'll run through past this for you. Here she goes. Now you always remember, you want to tighten your gib, because if not, what happens, it'll start bucking. The reason why it'll start bucking is because there's no tension on here. So right there's a lot of tension. Now I might have put a little too much on the how much I'm taking off, but I think it's alright. I'm taking off 3.5 thousandths. This thing runs amazing. Alright, adjust her back. Unloosen this. Look at that finish. That's a beautiful finish. Now the reason why I'm not actually using the full I shouldn't say full. Why I'm not putting it? Why I don't have it in back gear range, and why I'm not taking a huge hogging cut is because I want this thing to be pretty dang precise. Because I don't want any side play or side to side, back and forth, whatever. Because this guy sit perfectly on the bed on the lathe. So any play will knock off your degree. And if it knocks off your degree, you're going to be there all day to get there in perfect. So I don't want to screw it up. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on this taper attachment here, but we'll get her going. So, guys, like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, some sound. Later. Bye.